Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve this nice algebraic equations? We have this in a quadratic form. So x power of 4 equals x plus 3 power of 4. To solve this, we consider the solution first. Here from the question, we are given x power of 4 equals x plus 3 power of 4. This is very simple to solve, as we are going to be applying this method. The first thing here is, when we are given a kind of question like this, we have to transfer the whole of this here. Here we have x power 4 minus x plus 3 power of 4 equals 0. Then after having this, x power of 4 here, we can break it as 2 times 2. And for every 2 times 2, when we apply the rule of indices, we can write this as x power of 2, then all power of 2. Because 2 times 2 here equals 4. Minus also this, we have x plus 3. This is power of 2. Then all power of 2 equals 0. As if this is just like a, then having squared, minus also this is the whole of this is b having squared. So this is difference of 2 squared, which is written as a minus b multiplied by a plus b. By taking this in consideration and we compare it with the given equations, we are therefore of x squared minus, for the first one, which is x plus 3 squared. So we put this in brackets, and also we have x squared plus x plus 3 all squared, and this also in bracket, everything equals 0. After having this, we are going to let the whole of this equals to 0 and the whole of this equals 0. So there are two cases here. For the first one, we have x squared bracket x plus 3 squared. This equals 0. And by trying to solve this, but we have to note something first, that we have x plus 3 squared. For every x plus 3 squared that we have in this is given as x squared plus 6x plus 9. And there is negative here, which means negative will affect everything. All are positive, and when negative open everything, they all becomes negative. Therefore, we have x squared minus x squared minus 6x minus 9 equals 0. X squared cancelled x squared, and we have minus 6x equals 9. Okay, since we need x, we have to transfer 9 to other side, and by dividing both sides by minus 6, we have minus 9 over 6, and minus 9 over 6 is minus 3 over 2. The first value of x here is given as minus 3 over 2 when we consider the first case. And let's see the other case of this and check if we get the other 3 solutions or 2 solutions. Then for this second case, we have to expand this as well, and here becomes x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0. And x squared plus x squared, this gives us 2x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0. We arrived at a quadratic equations, which means we are getting just 2 values for here. and we solve this by applying the quadratic formula. Here we have a, which is 2, whereby b equals 6 and c equals 9. By using x equals minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a as our quadratic formula. Then when we try and plug everything here, so just to cut the story short, we are going to have minus 6 plus or minus 6i divided by 4. Then we can separate this as minus 6 over 4 plus or minus 6i over 4. Then our x equals minus 3 over 2 plus or minus 3i over 2. So we have two solutions as well here. As when we try and pair everything together, we have x1, which is minus 3 over 2. We have our x2 here. A is plus or minus, that is, we go for minus 3 over 2 plus 3i over 2. And we have our x3 here, which is minus 3 over 2 minus 3i over 2. These are all the three answers we get for these questions. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you watch us to this stage, I hope you get something. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and any other method we can use to solve this, we can drop into the comment box. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.